You know, not everything needs to be accessible. Some states remain intact by not opening. They're not defensive, and they are not closed. They simply do not extend beyond their own boundary. Contact can occur without entry. Sound, movement, and presence can pass nearby without being taken in or absorbed. Proximity does not require permeability. Nothing is rejected and nothing is gathered. There's no sorting. There's no management of what approaches. What remains whole does not announce itself. It does not clarify its edges or justify its distance. It simply exists without signaling availability. This condition is often mistaken for calm, though it is not produced by soothing, more like by the absence of agitation. Interaction doesn't dissolve it. Pressure does not fracture it. Attention does not pull it outward. There's no effort involved in maintaining this state. There's nothing to remember, nothing to reinforce, nothing to return to. It persists because nothing interrupts it. What cannot be reached does not need to respond. And what does not respond does not expend energy. What does not expend energy remains intact. Not isolation. It operates in proximity, in movement, in exchange, without being altered by them. It stays intact. This is the Witchnotist Method.